Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to add integers using number line. If you were asked to do this question with number line, how do you go about it? Start with the first integer, which is -5. Where is -5 on the number line? This is -5 where you have the red dot. This plus that the arrow is pointed to simply means we should move to the right. How many times are we going to move to the right? We'll move 8 times. Now let's do that quickly. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After moving 8 times, we ended at 3. That means that the answer is 3. Very easy. If you've gotten any value from this video, do well to hit the subscribe button and make sure you watch this video to the end in order to gain mastery of this topic. Let's look at the next question. We have -4 plus bracket -2. Write -4 again, then you do plus times minus, that will give you minus, then you write the 2 in the bracket. Start with the first integer, which is -4. Where is -4 on the number line? This is -4 where you have the red dot. Now this minus that the arrow is pointing to simply means that we should move to the left. How many times are we going to move to the left? We are going to move 2 times. Let's do that quickly. You have 1 and then you have 2. Now we ended at -6. That means that the answer is -6. Very easy. Now let's look at the next question. We have 0 plus bracket -4, then -2. Write 0 again. You do plus times minus, that will give you what? Minus, and then you write the 4 in the bracket. Write this -2 that I circled. Now as usual, start with the first integer, which is 0. Where is 0 on the number line? This is 0 where you have the red dot. Okay, now this minus that the arrow is pointing to simply means that we should move to the left. How many times are we going to move to the left? We will move 4 times. Let's do that quickly. So you have 1, 2, 3, then 4. Now this second minus that the arrow is pointing to is telling us to move to the left again. How many times are we going to move this time around? We will move 2 times. Let's do that. So you start from -4, move to the left 2 times. You have 1 and then you have 2. At the end of the day, we ended at -6. That means that the answer is -6. Now I want you guys to do this question with number line. Send in your answer in the comment section. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.